Nelligala is a mountain located in Kandy. Nelligala International Buddhist Center, well known as Nelligala Temple, was built in 2015 on the top of the Nelligala mountain hill. From Colombo to Nelligala, go to Ilimatalawa, then turn left onto Murtalawa, Kodamuduna Road. Turn left onto Aldenia, Irilama Road from Murtalawa Junction. Turn left onto Kurugama Tea Factory Road just before Murtalawa Tea Factory. From there road is good condition until you reach top of the Nelligala temple. It is easily accessible by the statue of Lord Sumana Saman on a white elephant coming down from the sky from the direction of Sri Mountain is a beautiful sight on a clear day. The concept of the beautiful design may be observed. Nelligala International Buddhist Center is a place of worship and it is better to wear a suitable dress when you visit it. That is covering the waist, hips and knees. This is common to both men and women.